annotate the heart so you know which side is the left and which side is the right. To do so, you need to make sure that the coronary artery is running from the top left to the bottom right, so which is this bit. On the top here, this is the left side of the heart, and this is the right side of the heart. The right side you can feel has a much more thicker and firm, and the muscular wall is much thicker than the left side of the heart. You can get to know your way around the heart in the vessel. At the top of the heart, you have to feel the marble, which is this bit. At the top of the heart, you have which is atrial tissue, which is sat on the top left of the heart, left ventricular. Top right of the heart, there's the height. You can put your fingers like this. You can put your fingers through here, and is the finger in, and it is the left atrium, which is the pulmonary vessel, which carries oxygenated blood from the veins. And so this bit, is the signaturally node. This bit inside here is the vessel, the blood vessel, the valves and the blood vessels. These bits are, well, the left one is the existing waves spreads over arteries, and then this little bit here, this white bit here, it's the pulmonary tissue, carries wave down septum, and then these veins kind of thing here is the excitation wave spreads up walls and ventricles. And then you have the left. We have the left atrium. And then you have this hole right here, which is known as the similar valves, and then this is the right atrium, and then you have the left ventricle here, and then right at the bottom here we have the Purkinje fibers, and then on the right you have the right ventricles, so the left side oxygenated and then the right deoxygenated. Okay, the left ventricle wall is thick as the covered everything, and then you have the tricuspid valve, and then these two here would be the bicuspid valve, and then this is what's connected to the lungs. That's what's connected to the lung. And then we have okay, the left ventricle wall is thick as the muscle has to contract hard enough to force blood out of it and around the whole body. The right side is less thick as the muscle has to contract and push blood only as far as the lungs, which would be this bit which is connected to the lungs. And this is the blood vessels and the valves. And then the cardiac cycle is the diastole, the heart relaxes and the artery fills with blood, and then atrial systole, the artery contracts and force blood into the ventricles, and then you have ventricular systole, which is ventralizes contract and force blood into the arteries.